Alright, hello universe, welcome to Angel's AI, and let's quickly create our new file in order to understand another way to write CSS colors or implement CSS colors. Okay, CSS colors, and we're going to keep the body to be empty, and we're going to have the background color for this. Okay, so body, inside the body, we'll have to add the background color. For the background color, and let's quickly do a little Google search, and we found out in the previous lecture that this is the RGB value of the colors. Okay, so you need not learn all the values, but you can understand the format just like we did with the hexadecimal color values, right? So yes, here it is, the format of the RGB value. What you have to do is just have to write the RGB in the property, or you can say the value space, and inside a bracket you have to give the value for each red color and each green color and each blue color. This is as same as hexadecimal. You can also see the difference over here with the scroll bars. As you can see, if I keep all of them to be 0, this is black color, and so this is changes, and so this is how it works. It is just as same as hexadecimal value, so you don't need to do anything additionally, and you have these RGB values for each color. Okay, so what you can do is that if let's say I copied this value and pasted it here, and what if I just open this with live server? As you can see, this is my background color for now. I can do a little thing that I can go on to this and do not click it, but hover on to this color box, and then I can see this palette, and inside this palette you can actually change your own shade. Okay, so how you can shade, how can you change the shade, and this will automatically change your RGB value. And you can also use the transparency mode that will also transparently give that thing. Okay, so that is how it works. So this was the RGB value for this video, and I hope that you understood it. Thank you so much for watching this, and I'll see you in the next one.